battle of third from this one. So lose from this one in this team China from this one, and also China versus China. So if you win, to give wins from bronze medal. So what do you think of these video clips here? So let's see of this one. Hello everyone. So happy Monday here from this one in this part. So it means analyze of this part of this analyze here from this one in FIDE Women's World Cup 2025. So it means today is battle of third from this one. So it means from this one during the semifinals, the team China is very lost of this game. So it means Team India wins from this one, was proceed make it to the finals from this Team India here from this one. So Team China is very loose from semifinals, and today's here from this one is battle of third. So if you win from this one, we'll win awards by third place from this bronze medal here from this one. Or if you lose, we'll knock out of this eliminate of these games here from this one. So it means, so how many clocks here from this one? 1 hour and 30 minutes, 30 seconds increment here from this one. So it means long game or round robin here from this one. So in this today's battle of third here from this one, and also have a Team China here from this one, and also between Grandmaster Tan Zhongyi versus the Grandmaster, my favorite players is Lei Tingqi here from this one. So two games analyzed here from this one. So in this part of this videos here, we have analyzed these chess games in this battle of third in these bronze medals. So white plays Tan is c4, English opening e6 by Lei is called Angkor, and knight c3 and d5 is called English opening Angkor here, defense here from this one. So these are the main line by used by here by bishop to b4 without main lines here from this one. So it means main lines here. So it means Lei by d5 is called English opening Angkor defense, and also d4, oh, queen's knight's opening or queen's gambit decline here, and also knight f6 capture this pawn, captured, and also bishop g5, or maybe without pin by queens or threats by knights here from this one. These are the connecting here by bishop also here from this one, and also c6 by Lei, and e3 by Tan, and also h6 without attacks by bishop, bishop of course h4, and bishop e7 without defense by knights, or Lei upcoming castling, Lei Tingqi here from this one without upcoming castling here from this one, and bishop d3 and castling kingside by Lei, without castle here, and also knight ge2 or upcoming castling by Tan Zhongyi. So that means without Tan Zhongyi here from this one, and knight bd7 castling by Tan Zhongyi from this one without castling here, and also rook e8 and also a4 without strongest by Tan Zhongyi here from this one, and knight h5. So it means no more booklets by Lei of this game. So it means none of this booklet. So these are the old mainline here, old main lines. Good novelty is a booklet is a5 pawns, pawn a5 without found at this booklet here from this one without good novelty here from this one. So back novelty is knight h5 is no more by booklets by Lei. So it means without no more by booklets here from this one, or knight h5, and also bishop takes captured, idea by threats by queens here from this one, and queen takes captured, or without queens behinds by rooks here from this one, or maybe without pin by pawns, or pinning by knights without controls here, or without determinations by connecting here from this one, a5 by Tan, without push, strongest by Tan Zhongyi. So these are the idea by push to a6 or attack by pawns without strongest by Tan. And also knight df6, with the idea here, with the idea by move here by here knight to g4. So it means, or maybe here by knight to a4, knight e4. So it means without knight e4 here. So without move side here, without next by targets my moves here from this one, and queen d2 here by Tan, and also g6 by Lei. Without good decides here by Leiting g here from this one, and rook fe1, knight g7. With the idea by move here next by knight e6 here from this one, or without connecting here by the development here from this one, and knight g3 by Tan Zhongyi, or I don't know what ideas here from this one, or continuations, or knight g3 here, and also bishop e6 by Lei here from this one. Without bishop e6 here, and rook ac1, or maybe without continuations, without moves here, rook ad8 without move by rook pairs here from this one, or without rooks, knight a4, without move side with idea to move by here next by knight c5, or threatening by bishop, or threats by pawn. So these are the targets here from this one. These are the threatening by strongest by white by Lei, I mean sorry, that Tan Zhongyi. I'm sorry, I got wrong names here. So it means these are the white pieces by Tan without move here, without connecting. h5 by Lei, with idea by push by next to h4, targets by knights, or maybe connecting here by pass pawn here, and also f3, without no more by here by knight to g4, without knight g4, without connecting here. So it means without connect by pawns, or connecting here from this one, and h4, without h4 with idea by threat by knights, or attacks by tempos, attacks by knights here from this one, and knight f1, without knight f1 here, and also a6 without movement here, or maybe here I don't know what beside this one is b5. So b5 by connecting controls here, knight c5, without strongest by good precise fantastic by Tan, with idea by threats by attacks by bishop, or next target attacks by pawns. So these are the doubles here from this one, and bishop c8 without develops by pawns here, and h3 here without move side here by Tans here from this one, and knight fh5 by Lei, without controls here, or maybe here with the idea to move by here by knight to g3, or without move besides by queens. So move beside by queens by queen g5, or controls by develops here from this one, and also queen f2 by Tan Zhongyi here from this one, and knight e6 without develops by knights here from this one, and b4. So for example, in accept, why don't we capture knight takes captured? So simple stat here from this one, and also bishop takes captured knights here from this one, or maybe develops develop here by determinations by connecting here, and if you queen d2 here from this one, and bishop captured, boom, sacrifice. So sacrifice, if your pawn takes capture, sacrifice, and queen to g5 check. So if you move by king h2, and both side is knight to g3, so captured the knights, and queen captured check, knight check here from this one, and decided this one is the slightly good examples by whites and blacks here, or these are continuations here from this one. So it means, so b4 by Tan Zhongyi here from this one without develops by knights here from this one, and knight eg7, without knight ge7 here, or maybe without opening without idea by bishop to f5, or connecting by targets by attacks by bishop, because these are the connecting by knights here from this one. These are connecting by without development here from this one, and Bishop backwards b1 by Tan. Queen g5. Oh, without strongest by Lei Ting-Ji here from this one. And pawn f4 without attacks by queens. Queen backwards e7. Knight h2. So it means without knight h2 here from this one. So it means putting by given bad move of this computer engine from this one by Tan. So the one's concurrency move, best moves is knight to d2 only. So knight d2 here from this one, these are determinations or the slightly betters from whites here from this one. So back there, this one is knight h2 by Tan Zhongyi and knight g3. Oh, without strongest by Lei Ting-Ji here from this one. And knight f3 and knight 7 f5. So it means does not one of this computer by Lei. So it means bad move. So the one's computer, the best moves is bishop to f5. So bishop to f5 here from this one. If you capture this, bishop takes captured and decided knight 7 f5. Knight 7 f5 captured. So it means these are the knight takes 7 f5. So capture this one slightly better from blacks here from this one. These are the continuations here. So back there is knight 7 f5 by Lei Ting-Ji here from this one and knight e5. What do you think the miss moves here? The best move miss moves is bishop captured knight. Bishop takes f5. Miss move by best moves. If you capture this one, decided bishop is captured. So these are the good slightly whites and blacks here from this one or slightly betters here. So back there is knight e5 by Tan Zhongyi here from this one and king g7 without king must be active by Lei Ting-Ji and bishop a2 without ignoring, so it means another bad move by Tan. So the best moves is miss moves is knight takes captured again. Oh, knight takes captured. Bishop takes captured knight. So miss by best moves by bishop takes captured knight. So bishop takes captured knight is a best moves here. So it means why she missed my best moves here from this one. So I'm sorry I got wrong by notes here from this one. So realize to proper my speaking my voices here from this one. So it means back there is bishop a2. Why she ignoring by Tan Zhongyi here from this one and knight d6 by Lei here from this one, or I don't know with that idea here or controls here from this one, and also queen b2 or maybe here. So back, so these are the knight d6 or allows by here without move by knight d5 here from this one. So it means queen b2 by Tan Zhongyi here from this one and king h7 and also bishop b1. Oh, so maybe with the idea by threats by pawns or without move here or without threat by pawns without threats by pawns attacks this one and bishop f5 without bishop to bishop and bishop takes captured, knight takes captured and queen f2. Oh, with the decided by determinations by Tan Zhongyi and last shot king g7. So it means the game number 1 of Battle of Thirds. So it means decided a grade draw. So the score from this one by whites, Tan is 93.3 and the score by Lei 96.4. So win by Lei Ting-Ji. So the points from this one, tie all 0.5 and 0.5 is a tie. So next game 2 here from Battle of Thirds. So what you think from this one in this next from this game 2? Let's see of this watch. Next game 2 here from this one from Battle of Third here from this one. So white between Lei Ting-Ji and black pieces Tan Zhongyi from this one. So if you win from this one, will crown by award by bronze medal by third place. So if you lose at this one, knockout by eliminates by tournament here from this one. So in this part of this video, we have analyzed of this game 2 from Battle of Third in FIDE Women's. So white plays Lei is e4, e5 Tan, knight f3, knight c6, bishop c4, knight f6, d3, bishop c5 is called Jacobiano or Jacobianissimo variation from this one. And castling by Lei, and also d6 by Tan without idea by bishop to c4, or threat by knights and pinning by queens here from this one. These are the connecting here from this one. And also c3, castling kingside by Tan Zongi, and also h3 without no more by bishop to c4 or knight g4. So controls here from this one. And also bishop backwards b6, or with idea by no more by here push by d4, or without controls, or maybe without no threats by bishops here from this one. And rook e1 by Lei, and also h6 here without no more by bishop to g5 or knight g5, or without move by connecting by pawns here from this one. And also knight pt2, knight e7 without controls, or maybe without move side by knight to g6 by without knight pairs by Tan Zongi here from this one. And also a4 by Lei Tingji here, and a5 by Tan, and also d4 without coming by captured, or without captured by pawns, or ready with the idea to move by semi-close by push by d5 without controls by white pieces here. Knight c6 go back, so it means these are novelty by Tan Zongi of this game. So these are the old mainline good novelties. Knight to g6 is a good novelty. So novelty is knight g6 by Tan Zongi here from this one, and bishop b5 by Lei, or without threats by knights here from this one, without controls here from this one. And capture this pawn, knight c4 without good move by Lei Tingji here from this one, without controls here, or without determinations by develops here by connecting by knights here. And capture this pawn, knight takes captured, without captured here, so it means with idea by here without move by threat attacks by bishops, or maybe without controls here from this one. And capture this knight, and captured rook e8, without move side by pins or rooks, so without controls here, without connecting by development here from this one. And queen c2, and also bishop d7 without move here, or without develops here, because so these are the bishops, so without pinning by rooks, or without threats by knights here from this one. So it means bishop d7 by Tans without defense by knights here from this one. And bishop f4 by Lei, or with the idea by threatening by pawns or attack these pawns here from this one. These are continuations. And knight e5, without idea to move by here knight to g6, or the attacks by bishop, so threats by bishops here from this one. And also knight d4, another good move by Lei Tingji without controls here, without develops here, or good fantastic move. And also d5, without d5 by continuations, and capture this pawn, and knight takes captured. So in idea, why don't we try knight takes captured, threatening by bishops here, and also bishop takes captured with idea by move by pawn f6, threats by bishops here, and bishop backwards h2. If you capture this one, so if your rook takes captured and rook takes captured, so these are the slightly betters from whites and blacks here for controls without examples here from this one. So it means knight g6 by Tan Zongi, or maybe the idea by threats attacks by bishop. Simple is that, attacking this bishop here, and bishop backwards g3, bishop takes captured, knight takes bishop. I don't know what realized here from this one, or without idea here, with the idea to move by knight to d6, threatening by rooks, without threats here from this one. And also knight takes captured, rook ad1, ignoring by Lei. So what do you think if your rook takes captured? So what do you think from this one, and queen takes captured? So these are the slightly betters from blacks by whites here. So controls by develops here from this one. And so back there is rook ad1, and queen g5, good move by Tan Zongi here from this one. And h4 attacks by queens and queen h5. Oh, without controls here, and rook d4. Oh, without wait, go back. So it means without queen h5 or with the idea to move side by rook to e2 attacked by queens. So it means without determination. So it means, so let's continue queen h5 and rook d4. So rook d4 by lating g here from this one, or without attack by knights. I don't know threats by knights here from this one. So without attack from this one. So without develops by rooks. And also knight f6 by Tan Zhongyi, and also knight d6. Ah, without move side here, without controls, or maybe without attacks by threats by rooks. So controls here from this one, and rook e6 here without develops here, or maybe without move side here, and queen b3 by lay, or without attacking this one or threatening by pawns. So these are the threatening pawns here from this one, and also queen e2 here from this one without move side. Queen takes captured. Oh, without pawns captured this one, and knight h5 with idea by threats by bishops. So it means these are controls here from this one, and queen takes captured. Attack this rook, or threatening by rooks without tempest attacks by rooks without queen. Queen captured, and rook f8, rook f1, and knight takes captured with idea by attack this one from rook, threatening by rooks here from this one, and pawn takes knight, queen e3 check. Oh, without check here, or maybe without check. So it means check or threats by pawn. So it means without threats here from this one, and king h2, knight e5. Ah, without knight e5 here, or so it means these are controls here from this one. Knight e5 by Tan Zhongyi, and knight c4. Oh, with the idea by threats by queens or targets by knights. So knights by doubles here from this one, and queen e2 without attacks by rooks here, and rook ff4. Rook ff4 here from this one without simplify fourth rank here from this one, and g5 without attack by rooks, and rook fe4. What happened by lay? So it means threatening by queens. So it means blunder ratios. So it means, so what do you think the miss by forgot by brilliant sacrifice move by late Chi? So what do you think? So it means white plays here from this one. So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much, Yang, and congrats for everyone from this one. And so the brilliant sacrifice move is knight takes. Oh, so it means, sorry. So the best moves, the brilliant sacrifice move is one is knight takes captured. So knight takes captured is a brilliant move by Lei. So it means these are the forgot from this miss brilliant sacrifice move by white pieces here from this one. So it means we don't have to forget to use by brilliant sacrifice move from these white pieces here from this one. So why lay to rook fe4 without blunder ratios or threatening by queens, or these are the connecting here from this one, and knight f3 check without good move or without doubles by rooks and without check. So these are the checks from these continuations here from this one, and also king h3, rook takes captured. So it means what the miss move by the best moves is knight takes captured rook. So knight takes capture rook from this one. If you rook takes captured, so rook takes captured queens, and knight takes captured rook. So it means these are the easy wins for white by lating Chi. Oh, very easy wins for white by lating Chi here from this one. So it means so back there is rook takes captured, rook to rook. So what happened to Eki's move by miss move by Tan Zhongyi from this one, and rook takes captured without threats by queens here, and knight g1 check, and also king h2, knight f3 check, king h3, f5. Without threats by rooks here from this one, and queen d5 check, good move, and also king h8. Without king h8 from this one. So the second puzzle. So what do you think the without captured by perfect brilliant sacrifice move by Lei Tingqi? So white's to play here from this one. So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much and congrats for everyone. Pawn captured. Pawn captured knight. Another brilliant sacrifice. So brilliant sacrifice move by Lei Tingqi, or without move by captured by brilliant sacrifice without double exclamation mark. So it means brilliant move by Lei Tingqi here from this one. And queen f1 check and king h2. So it means without king h2 here, king h2. So without king h2 here and queen f2 check and king h3, good move, g4 check, rook takes captured, sacrifice by Lei without sacrifice here from this one, and pawn takes captured check, king takes captured, and rook g8 check, king h5, and queen captured g3. Without captured, so maybe without controls, or maybe without idea by king g6 without check. So these are the continuations here from this one, and queen f5 and rook e8, good move by Tan Zhongyi from this one, and queen f7 without threats by rooks, rook c8 with idea by threatening by knight, so it means without threatening by knights here from this one, and queen d5 without defense by knight, so it means bad move by Lei from this computer. So the best moves there is queen f5. So queen f5 and decided is rook takes captured knight. So it means wins for black by Tan Zhongyi from this one. These are the slightly better here from this one. So back there is queen d5 by defense by knights by Lei, and rook f8, good move by Tan. With idea without within the idea by here. So I don't know what this one from this moves here. So it means rook f8 here from this one without good move, and also queen d4 check, queen d4 check here from this one, and another good move queen g7, or another good move by Tan Zhongyi without queen to queen, and Lei accept queen takes, king takes captured, and also king g4, and also h5 check, sacrifice from this one, and king takes captured, another bad move. Another bad move. So the best moves there is king g3 only. So it means without king g3 from this one, or maybe continuations here from this one. So it means, so king captured by pawns without bad move here from this one, and rook f4, and also knight b6 here with idea by move side by knight to d5, or without threats by rook. So these are controls. So it means rook versus knight here from this one, and rook takes captured pawn. Idea by threats by pawns. So it means without threatening by pawns here from this one, and also c4 by Lei Tingqi here from this one, and rook b3 threats by knights here from this one, and knight d5. So the third puzzle. So what do you think the last shot from this winning from blacks would resigns by white pieces here from this one? So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much and congrats for everyone. The last shot from this one, boom, rook b4 without move here from this one. So it means Lei Tingqi give up and resigns. Why she resigns? So if you move by knight takes captured rook only move, and pawn takes knight. So move, come on, catch. Come on, run, pawn, run. Whoosh. Oh, promotes queen. Oh, b8 queen and c8 queen and queen. Queen g6 mating net. So mating net. So lose from whites here. So it means lose. So it means, so I thought Leiting Chi from this one, winning from this one. So it means, so Leiting Chi is cannot award from these bronze medals from this one. So it means, so Leiting Chi was knocked out by eliminate of this tournament. So the win from this one, from this crowd, by third place by bronze medal in Grandmaster in China, Tan Zhongyi. Congratulations from third placer from bronze medal by Tan Zhongyi. So let's see of these results after battle of third here. After battle of third, so let's see. So it means, so the score by Leiting Chi 0.5 and Grandmaster Tan Zhongyi 1.5. So it means Leiting Chi was eliminated from this knockout by tournament from this battle of third. So the winner from this one in battle of third by bronze medal, third placer is Grandmaster Tan Zhongyi. Congratulations from this winning from this third placer from these bronze medals. So it means the final, so not yet finished. So it means the score tie all 1 points and 1 point. So it means, so not yet finished from this one. It is finals from this one. So International Master Divya Deshmukh and versus Grandmaster Hampi Conero. So I will analyze of these final games from this one, from this Team India here from this one. So I hope at this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Loagi 17, aka Icon Mark 17. Have a good day, keep safe, and keep updates of these next chess updates. Have a good day and bye bye.